and unit at Andover Country Clubs at its finest. Totally painted and selling below market rate. Out-of-state owner says so. This fabulous townhouse estate enjoys spectacular views and a carefree, no-maintenance lifestyle and offers a wonderful array of luxurious amenities. This 3-bedroom, 4.5-bath townhouse also includes soaring 2-story foyer, upgraded gourmet kitchen with glazed cabinetry, pull-out cabinet drawers, granite counters, double ovens and a large island, a formal dining room and living room. Additionally, the home boasts a sophisticated first-floor master suite with a marble shower with enclosed frameless glass doors, as well as an additional en-suite bedroom. The finished, walk-out lower-level family room is ideal for entertaining with a large wet bar and French door out to the brick patio. Other amenities include first-floor laundry, large